Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Wholes and equal parts. Video 1.
Videos saved on YouTube. Number 1. Videos are now being stored on YouTube. 2. How to run the video from YouTube. You will have to pause the video by hand after opening. B. On the computer, Control key and P will pause the video and or run. Smartboard use. Bring up video on Smartboard. A. Pause video at beginning. B. Open up Smart Notebook. Must be 11.4 or newer. C. Click on View, then Transparent Background. D. You may now write on the video after pausing. Promethean board. Bring up video on your Promethean board. A. Pause video at beginning. B. Open up Active Inspire software. C. You will now be able to write on the video after pausing.
Why, hello gang. We are about to have some fun here because we're going to watch this video and we're going to use it to learn about wholes and equal parts. Now, please make sure you pay close attention to your teacher and what is asked of you, because you're going to have to come up to the video and you're going to have to draw some lines and circle some answers. So if you would, please have a student come up to the video now so we can start. Thank you.
Problem 1. We should have a student up at the video right now. Which is correct, A or B? Circle the correct answer for each number. Here's problem 1, 2, 3, and 4. Circle the correct answer for each one. Please pick up a device and circle the correct answer now. Okay, let's see if you have the correct answer for all of these. For 1, it is equal. As you can see, the line divides the circle in equal. For number 2, obviously it's not equal because we have the line way over here. For number 3, it too is unequal. As you can see, the lines do not separate equally. And the last one, 4 is equal, as we divide the circle into fourths. If you would please have another student come up to the video, and while they're coming up here, if you would please erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 2. We should have another student up at the video. Place a circle around the correct answer for the questions listed below. If you notice, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 shapes, and the answers are below them. Please circle the correct answer now. Okay, let's see if you have it correct. For the first one, in the square is divided into 2 halves. Number 2, the circle is divided up into equal fourths. Number 3, the rectangle is divided up into equal thirds. And the number 4, the triangle, is divided up into 2 halves. If you've done the same as we have, outstanding. If you would, please have another student come up to the video for the next problem, and while they're coming up here, if you would please erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 3. We should have a student up at the video. In this one, we're going to draw lines that show 4 equal parts in the 3 different ways. You'll notice that we have a square here, here, and here. If you would, please pick up a marking device and draw lines to divide the square into 4 equal parts 3 different ways. Please do that now. Okay, we've already done that for you. I'm going to click here to show the answer. You'll notice that you could have had these at any one of the 3. We divided this one into fourths. Here we have another fourth, and the last one is into fourths. If your answer is similar to ours, outstanding. Way to go. If you would, please have another student come up to the video for the very last problem. And while they're coming up here, if you would erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 4. We should have a new student up for the last problem. In this one, we're going to draw lines below to show equal parts to the direction that is presented. You'll notice that we have a circle, and we'd like you to divide it in halves. We have a square, and we'd like you to divide that one into fourths. And we have another circle, and we'd like for you to divide that one into thirds, which is tricky. If you would, please pick up a device and draw those equal parts now. Okay, here's what we have as our answers. Now we have the circle divided into halves. You could have gone straight up and down. We have the square divided up into fourths, and you probably didn't deviate too much from that one. And to divide this circle up into thirds, you had to be something similar to what we have. If you do, that is super. Thank you for working with us on all of the problems that we presented to you. Wholes and equal parts. And if you would, please pick up an eraser and erase these answers. Thank you.